Have you ever looked at your pencil box, water bottle, or your notebook? They all have a shape. Shapes are everywhere around us. But have you ever wondered what makes the shape of your notebook different from that of your bottle? To answer that, let's discover the shapes around us. Shapes are figures or objects that have a specific form or outline. Shapes are of two types. 2D shapes are flat, have length and width. 3D shapes have length, width, and depth. Now, let's discuss some 2D shapes. A circle is round and has no corners. It is just like a coin. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. It is just like a tile. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners, just like a slice of pizza. A rectangle has 4 sides. Its opposite sides are equal, just like a book. Now, let's move to 3D shapes. 3D shapes have depth, height, and width. They take up space, unlike flat 2D shapes. Examples include cube, sphere, cylinder, cone, and more. Now, let's discuss the parts of 3D shapes. A face is flat or curved surface of a shape. For example, a cube has 6 square faces. An edge is a line where two faces meet. For example, a cube has 12 edges. A vertex is a corner where 3 edges meet. For example, a cube has 8 vertices. Let's discuss a cube. All of its sides are square. It has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners, also known as vertices. Examples include dice and Rubik's cube. In a cuboid, all sides are rectangles. 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 corners, vertices. Examples include book, brick, matchbox and more. A sphere has no edges or corners. It has one curved face. For example, ball, orange, and globe. A cone has one circular base and a single vertex. It has one edge. A party hat is cone-shaped. A triangular prism has 5 faces, 1 square base, and 4 triangular faces. There are 8 edges and 5 corners. Some tents are of the shape of a triangular prism. A cylinder has 2 flat circular faces, 1 curved face, and 2 edges. Examples include soda cans and batteries. Euler's formula describes the relationship between the number of faces, corners, and edges in many 3D shapes. It states that the sum of the number of faces and vertices minus the number of edges equals 2. Now, let's discuss nets of 3D shapes. A net is a two-dimensional layout that can be folded to form a three-dimensional shape. It shows how the surfaces of a 3D object are connected. For instance, a cube consists of 6 squares and can thus be represented as a net with 6 squares. Have you ever wondered what two lines form when they meet at a point? An angle is made when two lines meet at a point. This point is called the corner or vertex. A right angle is an angle that measures 90 degrees, resembling the corner of a square. An acute angle is an angle smaller than a right angle. An obtuse angle is an angle larger than a right angle. Let's learn how to sort shapes. By angles, 3 angles form a triangle. 4 angles form a square or a rectangle. 5 angles form a pentagon. By edges, 6 edges form a triangular pyramid. 8 edges form a square pyramid and 12 edges form a cube or a cuboid. By faces, 4 faces make a triangular pyramid. 5 faces make a square pyramid. 6 faces make up a cube or a cuboid. To summarize, we learned about various 2D and 3D shapes and their properties. We also learned about angles and how to sort shapes using different characteristics. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, Watch video lectures and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on EduRev to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all. You also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 4. Thank you.